While everyone is trying to build complicated online businesses, I found 7 machines you can literally buy today and start making money with by next week. I'm talking about real physical machines that regular people are using to generate thousands of dollars in profit every single month. And the crazy part? Most entrepreneurs have never even heard of these opportunities. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. They're not flashy, they're not glamorous. But they are simple business models built around assets that generate income. Making money is never easy. It can be simple, but it's not easy. In this video, I'm gonna show you the machines. Real examples of people using them, how much they're making, and how you can start. If you appreciate real examples backed by real numbers, gently tap that like button. Let's jump into machine number 1. The first machine is a laundry folding machine. This one started because a frustrated dad got tired of folding laundry, so he built a robot to do it. Now here's the opportunity. You don't even need to invent the machine. You can start a laundry service business using platforms like Poplin, where people pay you to wash and fold their clothes. Top laundry pros earn over $6,000 per month. On-screen visuals, $2,500, $6,000 per month. There's an example of a woman who made over $46,000 in a year doing this part-time. And some entrepreneurs have scaled into full laundromats pulling in up to $24,000 per month. This business works because everyone needs laundry done, recurring customers, and low marketing cost. Machine cost versus potential income graphic comparison. This isn't sexy, but it works. Let's move to the next one. Machine number 2, a 3D printer. You can buy one for around $300. There was a 10-year-old kid who made $1,700 selling 3D printed toys. Another 17-year-old built a niche brand selling custom Crocs attachments. He scaled to $20,000 per month. Why this works? Low production cost, high margin niche products, and print on demand. You don't need a warehouse, you need creativity. The key is niche selection. And that brings me to something important. Next machine, a laser engraver. This is a customization business. There's a company that dropped 30,000 customized tumblers and sold out in under 10 minutes. They generated $10,000 instantly. You can engrave jewelry, cups, keychains, and wedding gifts. Personalization equals premium pricing. The key is marketing and audience building. Let's move on. Next machine, vending machines. There's someone running 57 vending machines in California, generating around $30,000 per month. The strategy, location selection. Pay a snack and drink machines. Negotiate placement fees. This is location-based income. It's predictable, it's scalable. And many also monetize by teaching others how to do it. Next, ATM machines. You can buy one for around $2,100. An ex-police officer scaled this into millions. Every withdrawal includes a service fee. Multiply that by traffic. It's systematic scaling. Next, ice and water vending machines. One operator made $33,000 last year from 2 machines. Profit, $2,000, $3,000 per month. Location is everything. Near fishing areas, events, boating docks. Minimal weekly maintenance. High margin. Next category, clothing machines, sewing machines, embroidery machines, tufting machines, sock knitting machines. A 27-year-old started with a $100 sewing machine and scaled to 6 figures. An embroidery shop made $1 million in its first year. Why this works? Custom products. Etsy and Shopify demand. High personalization margins. These are creator-driven machines. Now here's something powerful. What if you combine machines with content? Build a personal brand around documenting your journey. Use AI and automation to scale faster. The world is watching innovators go from 0 to 10K, 30K, even 185K per month. And trust me, that's massive. If you're serious and want to work closely with me and grow with the speed of AI in today's booming world of automation and machine learning, keep your first step forward through the subscribe button below and press the bell icon. Remember, these are just tools. The real wealth lies in innovative planning. And finally, execution remains everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to make the world aware. See you soon in the future.